Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make dill pickle spears. Start by washing and trimming cucumbers, then slice into spears about 3–5 inches long. Pack spears into sterilized jars with fresh dill, garlic, and pickling spice. Boil a vinegar brine with 5% acidity. Pour hot into jars, leaving headspace. Process or refrigerate for quick pickles, then let flavors meld for at least 48 hours before carefully tasting. Measure vinegar and water precisely and heat until simmering so salt dissolves and spices bloom. Taste a small spoonful of cooled brine to check acidity and salt balance before filling jars. Keep fresh dill sprigs and garlic cloves close to the jar walls for even flavor. Pour brine hot, leaving correct headspace, and wipe rims clean for a reliable seal. Label jars with date and contents for easy tracking. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay cozy while you wait for pickles to mellow. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy recipes. I put the sock link and extra deals in the description for you to check. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pack cucumbers firmly but gently to avoid bruising and to keep brine contact consistent. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove air bubbles and ensure headspace before sealing lids. If you plan shelf storage, process jars in a boiling water bath for the recommended time based on altitude. For quick refrigerator pickles, cool and chill instead without processing. Always label jars with the date and enjoy within recommended timeframes for best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.